Is your money stuck in neutral? Koho, savings account, or something more? Ever feel like your money's just sitting there, going nowhere? You work hard for it, but banks offer measly interest rates, and traditional savings accounts seem like a black hole for your cash. Well, what if there was a way to earn real interest on your savings, without all the bank fees and restrictions? That's where Koho comes in, but is it actually a savings account? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep and find out exactly how Koho works, and if it can be the key to kickstarting your financial goals. Let's face it, saving money can be a drag. Putting aside cash for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or even just a rainy day fund requires discipline. But here's the kicker, even if you're religious about saving, those minuscule interest rates offered by traditional banks barely make a dent. It's like watching grass grow, slowly. Enter Koho. They market themselves as having high-interest savings accounts, with rates that blow traditional banks out of the water. But before you jump in and start transferring all your hard-earned cash, understanding exactly what Koho is becomes crucial. Here's the thing, Koho doesn't operate as a bank in the strictest sense. They partner with established financial institutions to provide their services. This means they can offer some unique features that traditional savings accounts might not. So, what can Koho do for you? First, let's talk about that high-interest savings account. Koho boasts rates up to 5%, which is significantly higher than what most banks offer. That means your money can actually grow at a decent pace, making it a more attractive option for serious savers. But wait, there's more. Koho also throws in financial planning features to help you manage your money better. We're talking automated savings, real-time spending notifications, and even access to financial coaching. It's like having a tiny financial guru tucked away in your app, ready to guide you on your path to financial freedom. Here's the cherry on top. Koho doesn't hit you with annoying fees like minimum balance charges or non-sufficient funds, NSF, whammies. They also offer unlimited transactions, so you can move your money around freely without worrying about getting penalized. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, as with anything financial, there are a few things to consider. Koho operates primarily as a digital platform, which means no physical branches to visit if you prefer face-to-face banking. Additionally, Koho uses a subscription model to access some of their features, including the high-interest savings account. So, is Koho a traditional savings account? Not quite. But it offers a compelling alternative with its high interest rates, helpful financial tools, and a focus on making saving accessible and rewarding. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your financial needs and preferences. If you're a tech-savvy saver who prioritizes high interest rates and a user-friendly app, Koho could be a game-changer. But if you value the security of a physical bank and aren't keen on subscriptions, a traditional savings account might be a better fit. Remember, do your research and compare options before making a decision. Koho might be the perfect springboard to boost your savings, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.